Hey everybody, you're traveling with Jack and of course my beautiful heavenly wife Pam. I'm in beautiful Grants Pass, Oregon today. It's kind of the off season here, but we wanted to show you where you might want to come during the summer months. This of course is the beautiful Rogue River back behind me. What makes this special in Grants Pass is the fact that in the summertime they have jet boat tours that go up and down the river. It is a lot of fun. They travel at speeds in excess of 60 miles per hour, skimming above the water. They're group boats. You'll be on a boat with probably 25, 30 other people going down river there. And they even offer one that Pam and I used to do. It's a lunch tour where you stop alongside at a really great restaurant and you enjoy a barbecue lunch. It's a lot of fun. If you look it up, it's Hell's Gate Canyon Jet Boat Tours here in Grants Pass, Oregon. Also, I might mention, this isn't going to be the greatest view, but if up above me here, you look, it's kind of hard to see, but, well, I can't really give you a good view of it. That is the Tap Rock restaurant and tap room. Lots of craft beers, lots of good food, great place to come. But again, if you're in this part of Oregon this summer, put it on your travel plans to come down and do a trip on the beautiful Rogue River, a jet boat tour. It's a lot of fun. You won't regret it. We always loved it. As always, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam. You guys have a great day.